In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your HubSpot data. Whether you're rolling back changes or safeguarding your information, restoring data is a crucial task that can save you time and stress. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the HubSpot website URL in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage, which serves as the central hub for all your business software and tools offered by HubSpot. At the top right corner of the site, there's a button labeled Log In. Click on that to proceed with signing into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your personalized HubSpot dashboard. This is the heart of your HubSpot operations, where all the magic happens. To begin the process of restoring your data, you'll need to access the settings. Look towards the main navigation menu, and there you'll find the settings option. Click on that. This will take you to a new page where you have a variety of settings to adjust different aspects of your account and its features. Once you're in the settings menu, the next step is to locate the backup and restore section. You might need to scroll through a few options or use a search feature if available, but it's generally easy to spot under standard data management categories. Click on Backup and Restore and you will be directed to a page dedicated to data management. Here is where you have the power to secure your precious data. Look for the button that says Create Backup. This is an essential step because creating a backup ensures that all your current data is safely stored before you proceed with any restorations. After you click Create Backup, a system prompt may appear to confirm that the backup process is underway. It's always wise to double check that the backup is created successfully, as this serves as your safety net. Once you've confirmed the backup is complete, the restore process is just a click away. The Create button is designed to initiate this process. Select Create and HubSpot will begin restoring your data to its previous state. This process might take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of your data, so do be patient. It's also a good practice to monitor the restoration progress, just to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. And that's it. With these simple but vital steps, you've not only restored your data, but also reinforced your business's data resilience. Remember, regularly backing up and knowing how to restore your data are best practices in today's digital world, protecting you against data loss and errors. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share any thoughts or questions in the comments below.